What's up, YouTube? So I wanted to come here and make this quick video because I'm just switching it up a little bit because I was kind of feeling discouraged. I got 5 reasons why YouTube is actually hard behind me here, and I just wanted to go over these things with you and just be open. I started my YouTube channel, and I started off wanting to do finance and business stuff on it because we have a business. I have a laser printer right here behind me, and we make a lot of stuff. We've been doing it for 6 years. But what I wanted to do was grow a YouTube channel. So I decided, hey, I'm going to stop making these videos and then start making these videos, the videos I have on my channel now. So as you can see, the first reason that YouTube is actually hard is because high competition. So now if you niche down, people always say niche down, choose a niche, choose what it is that you're good at, then you don't have to worry about high competition. But if you don't choose a niche, that's when the high competition gets in your way. Because if you go to YouTube or if you Google workouts or health and fitness, you're going to get 10,000 different people that pop up. Now you're going to get the big creators on the top, but then as you go down, you'll find a bunch of people who have been scrolled past and forgotten about. So it's high competition if you don't niche down. And if you don't know how to niche down, then you're kind of out of luck if you're not good at anything, but you're probably good at something. So issue number 2, the algorithm is complex. Now, you could look at that as easy and hard, but things get easy as you learn them. And as a new creator on YouTube, you don't know anything about the algorithm. So let me tell you this is going to be very helpful for you. I created 25 videos on this channel before the videos that I have on there now. So I've unlisted all of my other videos, and I think I gained 12 or 13 subscribers from those videos. And I found out this right before I switched my content, that the algorithm, one of the biggest things that it does is it shows your new videos to your current subscribers. And if they don't click and watch, then the algorithm is not showing your videos to anybody else. And I found that to be true. So I had 13 subscribers, and they were subscribed because of my business stuff that I was talking about. But now I'm talking about this new content, and I'm trying to encourage you to get on YouTube and start creating, because I see this being a great business for the future. This is the way that business is going. So I wanted to do that, but these videos, now the algorithm is confused. I've confused the algorithm. So I hope there's a way around that. Maybe if I keep pumping out these videos, then the algorithm will reevaluate my channel. But as of right now, it seems like the algorithm's confused. Number 3, discouragement. So for that same reason, I've been discouraged. I know it was my fault. I switched content types, and and the algorithm's like, hey, I'm confused now. It's not actually saying, hey, I'm confused. It just is confused because it's showing my new content to the old audience. The old audience does not want to see it, so they're clicking the video, clicking off of it, not watching it fully, not liking it. I guess I could have just created a whole new channel. I figured, hey, this one has subscribers, I have views on here, this and that. But the 4th one is consistency. Consistency. Why YouTube is hard is you have to be consistent. So you don't have to post every single day, but I keep hearing that you should at least post twice per week. You should post twice per week to keep your YouTube updated, to keep the algorithm sending you out there, to stay refreshed, to stay sharp, to keep your face in front of people, to constantly keep getting new likes, new subscribers, things like that. So if you just post 1 video per week, I hear that that's fine too, but it's not the best. It's kind of like the bottom of the barrel. It's the least that you could do. And then if you can post every day, then that's good too. I keep hearing, because basically you're going to get better faster. The more you post, the better you're going to get, and the faster you're going to get better. So, and the last thing here is what to talk about. What things to talk about? What do you want to talk about? If you sit in front of a camera and, okay, so I do business stuff. I can talk to you about business stuff, and I can talk to you about starting on YouTube. I've started on YouTube. I can talk to you about the things that I've learned from other gurus and the courses I've taken and things like that. I can talk to you about that stuff. But if I try to talk to you about ballet, then you're gonna be able to see through that. I don't know anything about ballet. I can stand up here and try to stand on my tippy toes and twirl around, and I won't look so fluent. What to talk about? You want to talk about something that flows easily, that comes natural. The business that I've been in, which is a personalized gift and personalized decoration business that we make. We manufacture all the products and they're personalized. And I could talk about that type of thing. So we've been doing it for 6 years, I think 7 now. We started off with a small little Cricut. Now we have a big laser printer that we do this stuff with. Complex machinery, I guess. So you want to talk about something that is near and dear to your heart, true to you. So if it's health and fitness, or if it's finances, insurance, cars, if you're in the ballet, dance, whatever, singing, music, whatever it is that comes natural to you, something that you would feel comfortable talking about, that you could talk about for hours, that you can talk about something every day, a new topic every day. If you can do that, if you can solve those 5 things, I think you'll have an easy time on YouTube. But in the beginning, this is what makes YouTube hard. See you on the next one.